Hello everyone, welcome back. Myself Shranjali Mishra, and today we are continuing with our series where we are solving gate questions on the subject Theory of Computation. Let's get started with our question 17th. So the question says the C language is option A context-free language, option B, a context-free sensitive language, option C, a regular language, or option D, parsable fully only by a Turing machine. So let's see which of this option is correct. So the option A says a context-free language. This means that the syntax of C language can be defined by a context-free grammar. A context-free grammar consists of a set of rules that describe how valid sentences in this valid code C code can be formed. These rules typically involves non-terminal symbols that are replaced by a sequence of terminal symbols, tokens correspond to the grammar rules. Context-free grammars are widely used for specifying programming languages syntax because they provide a structured and easily parsable way to define the language's syntax. The option A context-free language means a C language is a context-free language is option A is correct. Now let's look at option B. This says a context sensitive language. This is not the case of the C language. Context sensitive language are more powerful than context free languages and require more sophisticated parsing techniques. Context sensitive grammars allow for context dependent rules, where the application of a production rule depends only on the current symbol being replaced but also on the context surrounding it. While some aspect of C semantics may require context-sensitive analysis, the syntax itself can be described by a context-free grammar. Now let's look at option C. So the option C says a regular language. A regular language are the simplest type of formal language and can be described by a regular expression or a finite automata. The syntax of C is too complex to be described by a regular expression alone. So a regular language cannot handle nested constructed such as nested functions or calls or nested loop structure, which are common in C code. Therefore, C is not a regular language. Now, option D says parsable fully only by a Turing machine. While it is true that a Turing machine can parse any computable languages, including C, using a Turing machine for parsing C code would be highly inefficient and impractical. Turing machines operate on obstacle levels and are not used directly for parsing real-world programming languages. Instead, parsing C code is typically done using more efficient algorithms and data structures tailored to the structure of the languages, which are recursive descent parse or LR parse. So the only correct answer for this question is the C language is a context-free language, that is option A is the correct answer. That's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.